What is one possible solution of the equation 6 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1 equal to 1 over 4? Okay, so one possible equation you have to find. Okay, so 6 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Here if you see the denominator, right? If you see the denominator, x minus 1 cannot be 0 and x plus 1 cannot be 0. It means that even if you get the solution as minus 1 and plus 1, those cannot be the solution. Okay, because the denominator will become 0 and then that fraction will not be defined. Now we will solve. So you cross multiply throughout by x plus 1 times x minus 1. So if you multiply with x plus 1 times x minus 1, the given equation, that is 6 by x plus 1, okay, sorry, minus 3 by x minus 1, and right hand also you need to multiply. So 1 by 4 times x plus 1 times x minus 1 will be x square minus 1. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square, right? And 1 square will give you 1 only. So this will be, now you multiply using the distributive property. So you will get 6 times x minus 1 minus 3 times x plus 1, that will be equal to 1/4 times x square minus 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 6x minus 6 minus 3x minus 3 equal to 1/4 times x square minus 1. So 6x minus 3x, you will get 3 times x minus 9 equal to 1/4 times x square minus 1. Now you cross multiply, so you will get 12x minus 36, that equals x square minus 1. Now you can solve it and write x square. Okay, you rewrite the equation. So after rewriting, we can write like x square minus 12x plus 35, because minus 36 will become plus 36 on the right side. So plus 35, that equals 0. Now if you see 5 and 7, okay, if both are negative, the product will be positive. So you can write as negative 5x and negative 7x, and the sum will become negative 12x, right? So you can write like x square minus 5x minus 7x plus 35, that equals 0. So if you take x as a common factor, it will become x minus 5, and minus 7 as a common factor from the last two term, it will be x minus 5, that equals 0. So your factored form will be x minus 5 times x minus 7, that equals 0. So your solution will be x equal to 5 or 7. So both will be the solution. Okay, so x will be either 5 or x equal to 7. But if you want to check, because sometimes what happens, you may get, okay, an additional solution which does not satisfy your given equation. So if you check with 5, so 6 over 6, that is 1, and 1 minus 3 over 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 1 minus 3 over 4 will be 1 by 4. So this will satisfy. Sorry. Okay, if I erase this one, okay, let's erase this part only. So this will satisfy. Okay, it will satisfy the given equation. Now consider the second one. Okay, x equal to 7. So it will be 6 over 7. If you consider, sorry, 6 over 8, not 7, because 7 plus 1, right? So 6 over 8 minus 3 over 6. 7 minus 1 will be 6. So you check whether are you getting 1 by 4 or not. So 6 over 8 will be 3 by 4, right? And 3 over 6 will be 1 by 2, which you can write as 2 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 will be 1 by 4, means both are the solution. Okay, both are the solution. So any one you can write, because it is saying one possible solution. Any one of this solution you can write. Both are the solution.